Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out that all the dust on Earth has vanished, not just from your bookshelf, but from the atmosphere, from the oceans, and from the deserts. Gone. Completely. You breathe easier. Your house is cleaner. Allergies gone. Seems like a dream, right? But in less than a week, you'll wish the dust never left. As days pass, the initial bliss fades and strange changes begin to occur. People start noticing unusual weather patterns. Plants and animals react negatively, and the finely balanced ecosystem begins to wobble. What seemed like a miracle now feels like a curse, and panic spreads as the reality sets in that the dust may have played a crucial role in life on Earth. Dust. We spend billions trying to get rid of it. But what if it's one of the most important substances on Earth? This isn't a video about cleaning. This is a journey into the invisible particles that literally keep our planet alive. This is What If Dust Disappeared from Earth? Dust plays a critical role in our ecosystem, participating in weather patterns and helping plants grow. From the tiny specks in our homes to massive storms in deserts, dust is everywhere, often unnoticed, yet profoundly impactful. Dust isn't just dirt. It's microscopic skin cells, volcanic ash, tiny fragments of meteorites, dead plankton, sand from the Sahara burnt forest, even industrial metals. It travels. It evolves. It connects continents. Dust can accumulate in surprising places, revealing the stories of its journey through different environments. From the lofty heights of mountain tops to the depths of urban landscapes, it carries with it the remnants of life and activity from every corner of the Earth. Every year, over 180 million tons of Saharan dust are blown across the Atlantic. Where does it go? To the Amazon rainforest. Yes, dust is fertilizer from Africa, keeping the most important ecosystem on Earth alive. No dust, no Amazon. This dust, rich in nutrients, crosses thousands of miles of ocean, nourishing the soil of the Amazon. Scientists estimate that this natural process supports the growth of countless plant species and sustains diverse wildlife. Dust plays a crucial role in our atmosphere, acting as condensation nuclei essential for cloud formation. In regions where dust is scarce, the absence of clouds leads to severe droughts impacting ecosystems and agriculture alike. Without the presence of dust, not only do clouds struggle to form, but the risk of megadroughts increases significantly. Interestingly, dust also plays a role in moderating the planet's temperature by blocking sunlight, preventing it from heating up too quickly. The transport of dust from deserts to oceans is crucial in regulating weather patterns across the globe. This intricate cycle not only sustains ecosystems, but also proves essential in maintaining climate balance. Observing the dynamic interplay between dust and clouds reveals significant insights into atmospheric science. In classrooms and research labs, the relationship between these elements continues to captivate and educate future generations about our climate. Dust plays a dual role in human health, being both a protector and a killer. While it's known to cause asthma and allergies, it also has the ability to trap and absorb toxic particles, filter harmful UV rays, and slow down the spread of airborne pathogens. Without dust, our protection would be thinner, allowing viruses to travel farther and increasing UV radiation exposure, leading to a paradox where we might breathe less but face a faster demise. In a world free of dust, the consequences would shift dramatically. Picture an individual struggling with respiratory issues in an environment thick with dust particles as the irritants fill every corner of their space. In stark contrast, envision a clean, sunlit area devoid of any dust, where the light filters through unobstructed, yet offers no shield against harmful elements, illustrating the precarious balance of health and hazard. No dust equals biological chaos, as dust carries essential elements like pollen and spores, allowing microbes to migrate and certain species to reproduce. When dust is removed, the ecological chain from the ground up is broken, leading to the collapse of pollination, crashing insect populations, and unraveling food webs. In this delicate balance, every grain of dust plays a crucial part, as the absence of it threatens the survival of bees and other pollinators. Students learn that without dust, the interconnections within ecosystems begin to dissolve, prompting a collapse that extends far beyond what the eye can see. Iron-rich dust feeds phytoplankton, and phytoplankton nourish the ocean. If you delete dust, the entire ocean food chain collapses. The oxygen they produce disappears, leading to consequences for our atmosphere. About half of the oxygen you breathe comes from the ocean. Without dust, there is no air. Picture a barren beach where life struggles to thrive, revealing the stark consequences of disappearing iron dust. Look beneath the surface, and you'll find an underwater world struggling to exist. A coral reef that has lost its color and vitality, a haunting reminder of the delicate balance that once flourished. Some scientists believe interstellar dust carried key ingredients for life to Earth. Complex molecules have been found in cosmic dust from comets. Dust may have kick-started evolution. Without it, maybe life never began here at all. As researchers explore the origins of life, the focus shifts to tiny particles that once floated among the stars. In a laboratory setting, a scientist meticulously analyzes cosmic dust, unraveling the secrets hidden within. This dust, rich in complex molecules, might have provided the building blocks necessary for life to flourish on our planet. What if all the dust disappeared today? The instant collapse of rain cycles would follow, leading to global crop failures and crashing ocean ecosystems. This scenario could trigger mass extinction events. And the irony, the skies would look perfect, crystal clear and blue forever. But behind that perfection, extinction would be underway. In this new world, flowers fade as the lack of dust eliminates essential nutrients from the soil, turning vibrant gardens into shadows of their former selves. Meanwhile, in the oceans, marine creatures suffer, gasping for air, while surrounded by seemingly clear waters, unaware that their ecosystems are on the brink of collapse. Dust is everywhere. It's in your lungs, on your skin, in your memories, and even in space. We're made of it, and ultimately we return to it. So the next time you clean that shelf, ask yourself, what if dust is the reason we're still alive? As we sweep away the dust, we often overlook its significance. It carries stories from the past, remnants of life lived. With every breath, it connects us to history and to each other, weaving a thread through time that is both fragile and profound. In moments of play, we embrace the dust, igniting our imaginations. It reminds us that within the mundane lies beauty and inspiration, waiting patiently for us to notice and appreciate the world around us.